How to fix my router not connecting to internet when I reset it. How you can simply solve this issue. So in this video, follow the steps till the end so you can know about it. Wait for the router to fully reset. After you reset, give your router 2 to 5 minutes to power backup and reconnect to your ISP. Now reconnect the default Wi-Fi. Find the new Wi-Fi name SSID. After the reset, your router reverts to its default network name and password. Connect your phone or computer to that Wi-Fi and use the default password again, it's on the sticker. Check your internet access. Or once connected to Wi-Fi, open a browser and try to going on any website. If it says no internet, move to the next step. Step 4 is power cycle and modem the router. If you have both a modem router, unplug the modem and the router, wait for 30 seconds. Plug in the modem first, wait for the light to stabilize. Then plug in the router from there, let it all reboot. It should take about 2 to 3 minutes in total. Now step 5 will be set up the router again if factory reset was done. If you did a full factory reset, the router might need basic setup. Connect to the router's default Wi-Fi. Open a browser and go to this routering login net. Here you can see it. Log in with the default username and password and enjoy your internet connection. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.